Hey guys, welcome back with another video. If you remember, I created one video on DevOps roadmap where I discussed about the Geeks for Geeks DevOps course, and after creating that video, a lot of people asked me, why did you promoted that course? Is it really worth to purchase it? So finally I decided to do an honest review on this course. If it is really a good course, then you can only purchase it. So I will take a 5 common factors which is very important before purchasing any course. The first factor will be a course content and like curriculum, what they are providing it. Second factor will be a instructor expertise, and then third factor will be a quality of content versus quantity of content. Then fourth point, we will discuss about whether this course is a practical implementation or just a theory based content. Then fifth point, we will discuss about whether this pricing is really a worth with this course and you should have to buy or not. Is there any another course you can buy it or not? Okay, so let's review this course without wasting more time. And I purchased this course before creating this video, so please take a second and subscribe this channel so that I will be motivated, because I'm just creating this review video because of just you guys. So if you just do a second and subscribe this channel, it would be really helpful for me. Okay, so first let's check the content, what they are providing it to us, and what this DevOps engineering planning course. Okay, so they are saying that this is a live session course, and in their website it is a 4.6 review, which means a good impression that a lot of people are doing that. But these review I don't care about when I'm purchasing any courses. Okay, instead of that we will review what they are providing it. So they are saying that this course is for beginners. This is not like you if you already have experience that you need to purchase it. This is for beginners course to advanced, and this course duration is 12 weeks. Okay, and you will get the certification of course from the Geeks for Geeks. And let's review the course content, which is the main thing. So they, in the first week, as they have mentioned here, this is a live session, so somebody will be there to provide the live session. You can ask doubt, because this will be really helpful when you are a beginner, okay, and you are starting your career in DevOps. You don't have a lot of knowledge, right, and you have a lot of questions, depends on your skill sets. Okay, so you can ask whatever you have doubts in the live session, which is good. In the first week they are saying that we will start with the automation using shell scripting. So for me it is really a good impressions when they are saying that they will start with the scripting language. Okay, whether they can start with the shell scripting or whether they can start with the Python, but they are not teaching Python, which is fine, because in the beginner level you don't have to confused. Once you know about the shell scripting, you know about programming language, you will able to deal with other programming language also. So for me it is a good impression. They are starting with the shell scripting. Okay, and basic of shell scripting, real-time scenario on shell scripting. Probably they will like creating a scripts on depends on the scenario based questions. Okay, and they are teaching Red Hat Linux administration, so which is very important. So if you are applying for jobs, you know that Red Hat is in demand, so this is a good impression also for me. And they're in the content they will also teach you about the networking concept. Okay, how networking works, what are the protocols that usually used in the DevOps, or I would say that in IT industry, you will able to understand. Then in the second week they are talking about the cloud services and AWS fundamental. Now this is also in demand right now because everyone is moving to the cloud. For me it is good, and as a DevOps engineer you should have to learn it. And they are providing EC2 instance, which is a basic thing. It is not like advanced topic. And in the session 2, so first session is I think this is a like a basic level of cloud services and everything. Second session it will be like a S3 bucket, which is a good load balancing techniques with using auto scaling, which is very important topics. Auto scaling is very important topic, and load balancing. Okay, and CloudWatch for monitoring it. I probably say that this is a good content and for cloud computing. Okay, so this is also good, and yeah, so this is good. In this third week they are saying that they will deal with the source code management, so probably Git and GitHub. Okay, and the topics, which is main topic, which is a rebase. Okay, they are already covering it. Revert and reset. Git squash is also a good topic that they are covering it. Git cherry pick also good. So I think they have a good topics. Then they are providing a Docker with a real scenario based SonarQube. Now SonarQube is also in demand, so SonarQube is used for code quality checks. So if you know about this thing, you probably get a jobs easily. Okay, like a Docker, it is important. Then they are saying that week 5 they are dealing with a minor project, which is probably on Red Hat Linux using a shell scripting, doing some automation, like doing some system performance, and which is a minor project you can add in your resume to get a jobs also. So it is a good thing. You will learn that, you will create a project, so you will add in your resume, you will get that jobs also. Session 10 they are saying that continue the project and integrate using a Git and Docker. Okay, so probably what I observed that they will use a GitHub, like they said, and they will create a Docker file custom Docker file, and they will build that, and using that they will push the file in the Docker hub. Okay, and you should have to learn it, because before learning CI/CD pipeline you need to learn how things work in manually work. Okay, then you can able to integrate in a CI/CD pipeline, which is the next week CI/CD pipeline. Here you can see that all the topics are covering with the Jenkins. They will use the Jenkins. Jenkins is good for beginners, but they are all like advanced tools also in a demand now, so you can start learning it, like GitLab Actions, okay, GitHub Actions. There are a lot of things. Okay, then they will teach you how to create a Groovy files, okay, in a first week. That is good. And probably they will also teach you about plugins. For Jenkins it is very important to know about plugins, because you need to install a lot of plugins in Jenkins. So I think this is fine. And in the next week they are talking about the Kubernetes. Now Kubernetes is one of the most important factor to learn it as a DevOps engineer, because you need to learn how to manage containers. Okay, so Kubernetes is one of the important topics. What they are telling in the first week will be an introduction with the architecture, in deep understanding about the architecture, of course, like how to create a manifest file and services components. Okay, that is fine. Then in the next week they are saying that creating and deleting ports, managing Kubernetes YAML files. Okay, that says fine. Label selectors, which is important topic. Networking services and node port. Okay, but I would probably say that you will also need to you will also need to explore on internet. Okay, this is not enough, but it is good for beginners and getting a job. So for me this course is good, and still this is not ending up. So I think they are teaching about how to implement with the application for Kubernetes, then Ansible for doing some configuration or automation, then for creating a playbooks and doing some automation, and then using a Terraform, then for monitoring what they are telling about using Grafana and Prometheus, installing Prometheus, integrating it, how to set alerts. I think this is good content for me. Okay, in projects last week, major projects, so there are 2 projects will be. The first project will be guided by the, who is guiding it, okay, mentor guided project. So this will probably guided by the mentor or instructor who will be there. Okay, second tool they are saying that mentor guided project, which is Amazon EKS Incorporative Nginx Ingress Controller. Okay, Nginx is a load balancer, okay, which is even we are using it for handling the traffic. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, when you will create these 2 projects, you will able to understand how the industry work. Okay, even we are using Nginx for handling the traffic. Second thing, you can also create by yourself. They will help you, but you can also create some like self guided project. Overall this content is good, but what I observed, that is it really a worth when we are going to watch it? Who is the instructor, right? Who is going to be provided? So instructor is Dr. Hitesh Kumar, which is like a associate professor on University of Petroleum and Energy Study. He have 13-year experience, but I don't really believe in their website they can add whatever they want, because right, they can say that, hey developer, you can write the things that he have 13 experience. Let's see on LinkedIn. So I will copy this name and I will go to the LinkedIn. Here I will search this person. Okay, so I found this person. So he's a he completed his PhD. Okay, and he's I found him on LinkedIn. So let's see how much experience he have it. So he's a professor right now and cluster head in School of Computer Science and mentorship. Let's see how much experience he have total. So he have total experience almost 3 years and 12 years, almost like 15 plus experience he have. So I think the website is true, so you can trust on theirs. And even Geeks4Geeks is one of the most trusted platform. That's why I promoted this course. I know that a lot of people already have experience in DevOps, so they were like very like thinking about, hey, this course is very expensive, is it really a worth? I know that, but this course is for beginners, it is not for the advanced topic. Okay, this course is for those people who does not have any basic knowledge about DevOps. Okay, they can learn about that. So for me this course is good. Let's review about the quality of content. So as I told you, I purchased this course, so I will just go in this my course. Here I can click over there. I think I need to sign in first, so let's sign in this course. Why they are saying okay, now you can see it is in my course. I will click on here and you will see I have the access of this entire course. Now if you see, they have chapters available, and which is fine, but they have a live session, then contest, placement, leaderboard, and notice board. Now in the live session, you will see on a regular basis they have a session available, but let's see what they are providing extra without the live session. Okay, because live session I need to join, then I can show you. In the resources, they are providing live class resources. Whatever they are teaching you, okay, they are recording and they are providing in the articles based. So if I want to see like deep dive into Kubernetes, let's see what they are providing in the Kubernetes level. Okay, kubectl commands, let's say. Okay, that is good, because what I observed that I purchased one course in last year. It was, I don't want to expose the company name, but I really struggled that time, because when you're learning with the live session, you're focused actually on a live session, right? You don't get time to create kind of notes on your like on somewhere, right? So this is good for me. For again, this is quality of content is good, like how to create, get notes, and this all commands you will get that on internet also. I'm again saying that, but still, if you are beginners, if you don't have any expertise how to do that, how to create things, you can do that. So I think for that this course is good. So quality of content is really good. Also they are providing, like if you really don't have any zero knowledge about like how to use Linux environment, right, what is that, so you can watch their recorded videos also, which is you can see introduction to Linux. If I click over here, you will see that introduction and everything, but this is not provided by Hitesh Kumar, whatever the name it is, instructor. This is provided by someone else. It is a recorded session as a free resources. Okay, so you can review that video also. So overall this course is good, but one thing what I observe which they can improve, Geeks4Geeks can improve that, I did not find any labs. Okay, which is very sometimes like helpful for beginners. If they can integrate any like a simulation labs which people can do some practice while creating and reading the articles, they can use the labs for like half an hour, maybe 1 hour, and they can run the commands whatever they're providing in the articles. Okay, instead of creating our own labs, they can provide the labs. Right now it is not available, but I think they can improve in the future. So but still this overall course is very good. Last but not least, we need to discuss about the pricing. Is it really worth to purchase this course? This is the main thing people ask me. This course is like 11,000. Why you promoted this course? Not for everyone, right? Well, one thing, if the course quality is good, I will promote it. It doesn't matter how much it is, okay? Because for me, course quality is good. For me, the instructor is good. It is a live session. For beginners, it is really helpful when you are dealing with the live session, okay? But still, I would, if I am comparing with other courses, this course price is a little bit high. Even I asked Geeks4Geeks also for giving some discount over there, but this video is not promoted, so I won't be able to help you. Still, you have a chance to get the challenge that Geeks4Geeks running it. So if you see this 90% challenge, which is almost here, right? So they are saying complete the 90% of the course within a 90 days and get 90% refund. What does it mean? If you completed 90% of this course, okay, and within a 90 days, you just have to give 1,000 or 2,000. And if this course, if you see this course content, everything, you already see that, right? If you are getting in just 1,000, I don't think you will get anywhere like that course, okay? So for me, this course is really a good. Yes, if you don't able to complete this course within a 90 days, then it might be a charge you more as expected. But still, if you want to learn it, if you want to become a DevOps engineer, you should have to spend your time at least for 4 hours or 5 hours in a day. So for conclusion, overall this course is really a good, but still this is my opinion. It is not like a promoted video. If this really helpful, then you can purchase it. You can find the link in the description also. If you want to just go directly, you can click over there, you can get the link. Okay, that's all I just want to discuss today, and thank you so much, and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.